Hi, we're talking about today online quizzes, and we are going to see this online quiz form where candidates can quickly fill in the quiz and submit the forms. So I got some basic details that the name of student ID, the section, and any single choice questions. We have added some fields over here which can be helpful for the candidate to submit their quizzes. So you can customize these fields as per your choice. It need not be the same exact fields as per your requirement, but this is just a sample template which showcases some of the fields. How exactly will this work? So jump over to the form builder side of things, click on share form, click on copy form link, and then you need to expose this link to the particular candidate who is going to submit this online quiz. Okay. So as you expose this link, you will be able to see an interface like this. I'm going to quickly fill in some of the details over here, and let me put in some of the random stuff. So I'm quickly jump filling in some of the random details, and then we will see how exactly it works. Okay, so let me quickly fill in some details. Okay, finally you need to upload a file. I'm not going to do that. So let's click on submit, and as I do that, you can see the response has now been submitted. If you go back to the quiz form, go to the responses side of things, you can see that it has captured a new response. We earlier had one response over here, and now it has captured a new response. Okay, so as soon as the candidate fills in the form, you will be able to see all the details under the responses view. This is how it works. Okay, so obviously all the fields are customizable and they can be edited as per your needs. This is just a sample template file for your use case. I also want to highlight about a new tool, that is PDF output. PDF output can help you generate PDF documents in bulk. It utilizes a Notion page as a source of a template file where you can define the PDF document, and it also requires the help of a Notion database, which acts as a source of database which has all the contents that you would replace in the Notion page to generate documents in bulk. Okay, I've added a video how you can do the exact same thing with invoices, so you can watch this video and you can understand how you can generate invoices in bulk using the exact same workflow, and you can replicate the same process for any of the documents in your use case. If you have any questions or queries, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com. This is where I can help you or assist you with any of the issues. And besides this, please do check out PDF Output. It will be really helpful for your automation. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.